Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to capture payments done through your Mamo account using the APIs. There's two main ways you can capture payments done through your account. One, the redirect URLs, and then there's webhooks. Now, every single time a customer checks out or uses one of your payment links, they are redirected after the payment to either return URL or failure return URL. Return URL is where the customer will be redirected after a successful payment, and failure return URL is where your customers will be redirected after an unsuccessful payment. Now, after the payment is done and the customer is redirected, Mamo adds a couple of request parameters to the URL, including created at, which is the creation time of the payment, the payment link ID, which is the ID of the payment link used, the status of the charge, and finally the ID of the charge. You can store these details on your end and reconcile. Now, the other way to capture payments is webhooks. After a payment is done, within 2 milliseconds, Mamo will send you a webhook to any of the registered URLs that you have on your Mamo account. To register webhooks, all you need to do is to send an API request to create the webhooks. You send your URL and then the list of events that you want to be notified about. This might include your successful charges, your failed charges, your refunds, your subscriptions, or even whenever you create a payment link. You can also choose to add an authorization header to the request. What Mamo will do is that we're going to send you a post request with all the charges details and auth header and the authorization header if you have it entered. It is optional and you can leave it empty. Now, after a successful payment or an unsuccessful payment, Mamo would send you the following body, which is a charge object. It includes way more details than redirect, such as the status of the payment, the ID, the amount, some settlement details, some details about the customer like their name and email, and some details about the payment method used, such as the card ID, the type, the origin, the last 4 digits, etc. And you can also get the details of the payment link used. And in case it's an unsuccessful payment, you're gonna get the reason why it was unsuccessful, an error code and error message. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us via any of our support portals and we'll be happy to explain to you.